Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 10th standard state board, chapter 2, exercise 2.9. Before we enter into the chapter, you should know something. See here, sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers or sum of n triangular numbers. Sum of triangular numbers is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n equal to, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Next one, see here. Sum of n odd natural numbers. N odd natural numbers. Sum of n odd natural numbers. Natural numbers equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 equal to n square. N square. Next, sum of squares. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers, that is squares of sum of n natural numbers is, or otherwise we are asking about the triangular numbers. For this, squares of natural numbers are pyramidal numbers. Pyramidal natural numbers. It's nothing but what? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. plus n square. N square equal to, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. Next, sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers. Sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. Natural numbers equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube. 3 cube plus etc. n cube equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. See the first subdivision. Find the sum of the following series. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. 60. That is the sum of the n natural numbers. So what is the formula for sum of n natural numbers? Sum of n natural numbers. What is the formula? Natural numbers equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. What is the last one? N. 60. 60 into 60 plus 1 by 2. So it gives 60 into 61 by 2. 2 ones are 230s are. So what is the answer? 1830. Whatever calculation, you will do it in the rougher column and check the answer. See here, 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. 96. So you can take it as 3 commonly out. What is the remaining thing you are having? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. 3 you can take it out. What is the last one? 32. Okay, the same thing. Sum of n natural numbers. What is the formula for sum of n natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. So 3 into n into n plus 1 by 2. So it gives 3 into, what is the value of n? 32. 32 into 32 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So it gives 3 into 32 into 33 by 2. 2 ones are 2 16s are. 2 ones are 2 16s are. So it gives what? 48 into 33. 16 threes are 48 into 16 33. What is the answer? 1584. You check the answer. You do it in your upper column and check the answer. See here. The sum starts from. See the third subdivision. 51 plus 52 plus 53 etc. plus 92. See, it not starts from 1. Okay. The sum starts from 51. So you will write in such a way. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 92. That is the total term. Sum of the natural numbers total term 1 to 92 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to, it starts from 51. So you will write 50. Okay. The total term minus this term, you will get this one. Is it clear for you? See, the total term, it's 1 to 2 plus 3 etc. up to 92 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 50. So the total term minus this term, you get the value, this value 51 plus 52 plus 53 etc. up to 92. So sum of the n natural numbers formula. What is the formula? 92 into 93 by 2 minus 50 into 51 by 2. You know the formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 46. 2 ones are 25. 46 into 93. 4278 minus 25 into 51. 1275. When we subtract, what is the answer you are getting? 3003. So 3003. Okay. See the fourth sum. 1 plus 4. I can write it as what? 1 square. 1 I will write it as what? 1 square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 9 means 3 square. Plus 4 square plus etc. plus 225 is nothing but what? 15 square. So sum of the squares of n natural numbers. Sum of squares of n natural numbers. Squares of n natural numbers. So what is the formula? We can use it for that. N natural numbers. It gives n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So what is the value of n here? 15. So it gives 15 into 15 plus 1 into 2 into 15 plus 1 by 6. So 15 into 16 into 2 15s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 31 by 6. See here, 15 twos are 30. 30 plus 1, first you multiply this number, then you can add 1, Bodmer's rule. Okay, 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. See, 3 twos are 6. 8 twos are 16. 3 ones are 3. 5 threes are 15. So 40 into 31. 8 fives are 40 into 31. 40 into 31, what is the answer? 1240. 1240. So you can move on to the next one. What is the fifth sum? Fifth sum, the sum starts from 6 square. It does not start from 1 square. Starts from 6 square. So how you will write? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. plus 21 square minus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. plus 5 square. The total value minus 5 square. So you can apply the formula. What is the formula? n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So it gives 21 into 21 plus 1 into 2 into 21 plus 1. 2 into 21 plus 1 by 6 minus by 6 minus, see here, 5 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5 plus 1 by 6. 2 into 5 plus 1 by 6. So what is the value here? 21 into 22 into 21 twos are, what is the value? 42. 21 twos are 42. 42 plus 1 what? 43. 43 by 6 minus 5 into 6. 5 plus 1? 6 into 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1? 11. 11 by 6. 6 6 get cancelled. See here, 3 twos are 6. 11 times. 3 ones are 3. 7 threes are 21. 77 into 43. 77 into 43 minus 55. 77 into 43 minus 7 into 11. 77 into 43 minus 55. What is the value? 3311 minus 55. So the answer is 3256. See the sixth subdivision, 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube plus etc. 20 cube. Previously we have seen the sum of n natural numbers, sum of the squares of the natural numbers. Now we are going to see sum of the cubes of the n natural numbers. See here, 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube, but it's not starts with 1 cube. So how you will write? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus 20 cube total. 20 cube total minus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus 9 cube. 9 cube. What is the formula for 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube? N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So it gives 20 into 20 plus 1. 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So it gives 20 into 21 by 2 the whole square minus 9 into 10 by 2 the whole square. So 2 ones are 10s are here. 2 ones are 5 2s are. See, 210 the whole square. 21 into 10, 210 the whole square minus 45 the whole square. You will check it everything in the rougher column and you can write it here. What is the square of 210? 21, 441, 10, 0 minus 45, 20, 25. See, 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are 20. If the numbers ends with 5, the square root of the number you can write in such a way. Last number 5 5s are 25, then you can multiply these two numbers. 4 5s are 20. You will do any number, but the numbers ends with 5. It is a 2-digit number. You can subtract. Subtract, what is the value you are getting? 5 7 42,075. Now you move on to the next sum. Seventh sum. See here, sum of the odd numbers. Sum of the odd numbers. Odd natural numbers. Sum of the odd natural numbers. What is the formula? N square. Before you should find out the value of n. What is the value of n? This is not the value of n. Should find out. This is the sum of the numbers. You should find out the value of the n. So you know the formula n equal to L minus a by d plus 1. N equal to L minus a by d plus 1 in arithmetic progression. L equal to last term 71. A equal to first term 1. D equal to difference. What is the difference between these two numbers? 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Now you substitute everything here. N equal to 71 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. N equal to 70 by 2 plus 1. So 35. N equal to 35 plus 1. N equal to 35. So what is the formula for n equal to 35 plus 1? 36. So sum of n odd natural numbers. So what is the formula for that? N odd natural numbers. Sum of n odd natural numbers equal to n square. What is the value of n here? 36. It gives 36 the whole square. So 36 into 36, what is the value? 1296. See the second sum. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. k equal to 325. They are given. What is that? Sum of the natural numbers. Sum of the natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k equal to 325. So what is the formula for that? N into n plus 1 by 2. That is k here, because the last term is k. K into k plus 1 by 2 equal to 325. You can take it as 1. You should find out the value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube etc. k cube. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus k cube equal to, what is the formula? Sum of the cubes of the natural numbers. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. The place n is k is there, so you can replace by k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. By 2 the whole square. K into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. But here k into k plus 1 by 2, what is the value? From 1 you can take the value. From 1 you can take the value. K into k plus 1 by 2, what is the value? 325. 325 the whole square. 325 the whole square, what is the value for that? See here, you can, everything you can multiply and check the value in the rougher column and you can write it 0625. 105625. Next you move on to the third sum. What is the third sum? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. k cube equal to 44,100. Then find out 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. k. So what is the formula for this? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus k cube equal to 44,100. So what is the formula here? K into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. K into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square equal to 44,100. Then you should find out the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. k. Now you can, taking the square root on both the sides, what is the value? K into k plus 1 by 2 equal to square root of 441 100. So k into k plus 1, k into k plus 1 by 2 equal to square root of 41 is nothing but what? 21 square into 10 square. That is 441 is nothing but 21 square, 100 is never 10 square, because here you can write 441 into 100. 441 into 100. So you can take it out. What is the value? 21 into 10. So k into k plus 1 by 2 equal to 21 into 10. So it gives 210. So what is the value for this? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k equal to k into k plus 1 by 2. So k from 1, you can take it from 1. What is the value for this? K into k plus 1 by 2, what is the value? The value is what? The value is 210.